I'm an outdoor and adventure photographer, and today we are here in Lucerne. As you can see, we're straight in the city, and we're going to the Pilatus and climbing another time the North Face called Campons. It's a nice alpine route, pretty sweet in spring, about 50-55 degrees steep. Not too long, about 400 vertical meters, and yeah, I'm going with Christine, and she's looking forward to climb the Campons for the first time. And yeah, so let's see what we get, and I'll catch you up later. All right, let's go. Alright, Queen's Egg, 1000 meter above sea level, sweaty. Now we go down there, direction to Fragment Egg. So, Fragment Egg, 1400 meters, all like that. And now we go over there and to this little couloir, which actually turns up there to the right, and then up there. Now here at 1350 meters, and the route goes up there. There's the normal summer route. We follow up this, and you can't actually see our climbing route right now, but what we do, we'll switch shoes. So now I'm finished. Everything's set, already crampons on, and sunglasses, helmet for sure. And just for all of you which are actually living in Switzerland watching this, you see my glasses. These are from Glorify, and I will actually make a giveaway on Instagram soon for these glasses. I just use them today because we need to do some shots for it, but yeah, it's brand new. Pretty cool with Polaroid glasses, so follow me on Instagram and stay tuned. I will do a giveaway for these glasses. And now we do some climbing. Here at 1600 meters, we go over there, cross here, and then we go up here to this point, and there's a couloir leading up there, crossing in our direction, and then over there and all the way to the top. So let's have fun a little bit. Now we go up here. It's the Campons itself. It's where we came from. Yeah, 40-45 degrees on the top. So we already did the crossing over there, and now that's the second snowfield. We go up there. There are several options. You can go to the right, pretty exposed traverse, and go over there, up there. Probably you could go straight up there, this ice feature, and we go on the left and have a pretty exposed traverse, and then we go over there. It's our exit on the left there. So now we are here on the end of the route. Now we go up the East Ridge up there to the platform. That's where we came from, as you saw it in the drone footage. And I'll give you a feedback at the end of the tour when we are on the top. So let's go. So now we are here on top of the easel, 2,116 meters, and yeah, perfect conditions today on March 4th of 2021. What you need to know about the route: the conditions usually are pretty good in March, sometimes also in January, depending of how the weather is going. It's up to 50 degrees steep, something like that. Never really hard, but the problem is basically that you never can do any belaying or whatever. There are no bolts or something like that, so you better wait before you hustle, and just wait for the conditions to be good, and then you will have a lot of fun actually on this route. And yeah, I think that's it. It's 1,800 vertical meters down from the car. I think that's maybe a little bit interesting. If you just go down there, from the upper cable car station, it's about 800 vertical meters. And yeah, super nice route. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay updated with more cool tours and projects and whatever, yeah, just subscribe to this channel. Just in the end, I want to thank all the sponsors, Glorify, Sunto, and for sure Mammut, for equipping me with really cool gear, as well as Scarpa with the shoes. Thanks a lot. This makes such a lot of fun when you have really good gear. And yeah, have a great day and see ya.